Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about possibly a bug in the latest iOS 16.2 where system services keep on using the location, the GPS in frequent intervals that makes people think whether it could drain the battery faster. It is of course possible, but we will see some troubleshooting steps, to see some fixes or improvements in this episode. The very first thing is it could possibly a bug where from the control center at the privacy section, you can see which application or system service normally access your camera, microphone, or the GPS feature. So after updating to the iOS 16.2, even in my iPhone 14 Plus, since morning I started to notice location service, the status bar icon is being frequently, turning on at the top left corner. When I check from the control center, it says system services. It was not happening before. And when I navigate to settings, application, privacy and security and location services, you can see the list of applications that normally use location in the background or while using. You need to take control of that, as I mentioned in a recent episode about iOS 16 battery saving tips. I'll leave a link to that episode and some other useful battery management tips and tricks that I have shared before in the description and in the first comment. You may check that out. And when you navigate to the system services section, you can see I don't keep all the toggles on. As per the indication at the bottom section, you can see that the purple icon shows that the app have recently accessed within a couple of minutes. And if the icon shows gray, then it must be a 24 hours window where the application have accessed your location for some of the essential system related service. So here you can see the mobile network search. I saw the purple icon few minutes ago, so I'm just keeping it off to check whether it is causing the problem or not. And if you're using, Find My feature to find the nearby AirPods or iPhone or any other devices, it is important to keep the mobile network search on, because when you turn it off, it will also turn off the U1 chipset that is available inside. So tracking the nearby devices will not be possible and will not be accurate. Even with AirDrop sometime, for faster transfers, it is important to keep it on. So just to identify whether it is a bug or not, I'm keeping it off. And the next important service that was frequently using is the Find My iPhone feature. So long time ago, there was some bugs, similar to this, where Find My feature was frequently accessing the location that causes battery drain. And as a basic troubleshooting step, it is important to do the network settings reset, and then you can check whether the system services location is being accessed frequently or not. Within this video recording period, you can see that 2 times the system services started to use the location feature in the background, and even after turning off the mobile network search, Find My iPhone seems to be using the location feature here. And when you navigate to the battery statistics page, you can see that the Find My feature I've used in the past 24 hours 2% of battery, which is totally normal. It won't be that much higher consumption, when it comes to overall battery performance. So you don't need to worry that whether Find My iPhone itself could drain the battery when it accesses at frequent intervals. As I said earlier, it does look like a bug, and we can expect iOS 16.2.1 maybe in a couple of weeks from Apple to address this bug and some other minor UI related bugs and problems that users are going to report after installing iOS 16.2 in their iPhone. Do share your experience and any bugs that you have encountered after updating to the iOS 16.2 in the comments section. And if it is not system related bug, and if I know any fixes, I will definitely share some useful tips with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.